Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been a couple of weeks since we've posted a video. That doesn't mean that we haven't been videoing things. It just means that we've been kind of too busy with the craziness of fall and getting
Harvesting.
yeah, so we've been doing a lot of harvesting, a lot of cleanup, a lot of preserving. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on getting those videos posted over the next couple of weeks, and we hope you enjoy that. We've done freezer corn, we've done grape juice, we've done pears, peaches, dehydrating, and just general cleanup around the garden and those kind of things. But squash,
Yeah.
we've harvested.
That's the squash we show, even though this is just a fraction of it.
It's kind of a mess.
Squash and pumpkins.
Yeah, so that's like probably a quarter of the squash plants and stuff that we've got. But anyways, give you something to know what you're looking for over the next couple of weeks.
Hi, look at my jacket. So we're doing it today. We get draw corn today. This one too. You spin it here, around. What's it?
Back up so they can see your face and tell them what we're doing. Back up.
Eyes.
Back up. Back up. Okay, they're doing. What? We're doing. What are we doing?
We're doing corn. Take our dinner. We're doing corn. Yeah, they look like this. This is right.
My heart should know, I tell it so, and that I give to no one else. But you and I, we've seen the light. For us it's all or nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fly away, a million miles away, up through the sky we're sailing, and up through the clouds with no one else around. Just you and me will fly together. Fly beneath my wings, oh my heart it sings. For no one else, it's yours forever. And up through the clouds with no one else around. Just you and me will fly together.
Okay, so once we have all the corn husks, we bring it into the house and we will put it in boiling water to blanch it. Add a little salt to the boiling water, blanch it for 1 to 2 minutes. And then after I blanch it, I bring it over to the sink in some cool water. And then I'll set them here on a towel to dry. And then we'll get them cut. That's how quick and easy it is, and we use a really cool tool to cut the corn off, so we'll show you that in just a few minutes.
Okay, so we're doing freezer corn. Kelsey probably already said that, I don't know. But the tool we like to use when we do this to make it a little bit faster, it's called the kernel cutter. We bought it several years ago online and we've been really happy with it. It comes with this drill bit attachment that basically just screws into the back side of the, or the, I don't know, the thick side of the cob. And then the cutter goes, goes around it, and then Kelsey holds it and either widens it or pinches it tighter depending on the how wide the corn cob is. So anyways, we're going to show you how to do that. It might be a little trickier with this batch, honestly, because you probably noticed we had some caterpillars or worms in the ends, so we had to cut those off, so that might make it a little trickier getting started on here, but we'll see how it goes.
I will say, when you use this tool, it makes it more of a cream corn. If you use an actual like electric knife, it's not quite as creamy, but for fastness sake, we're okay with the cream corn.
Well, and the stuff in the very bottom of the tub is going to be the creamiest because that's where all of the liquid tends to drain.
Yeah, that's true. So I'll label those on my Ziplocs, more cream corn, the ones on the bottom, and then normal on the top. I know, good kids. As Dawn's going through and as Dawn's going through and cutting the corn, I am kind of picking through and grabbing some of the extra like green pieces at the top and any of the extra strings that we might have missed while we were hustling.
Okay, so we just finished cutting all the corn off the cobs. There is a lot of corn in there. So this is a 60-quart storage tote, and it's probably a little less than halfway full, so maybe like 25-ish quarts worth of corn. So now we're gonna go ahead and start putting it into Ziploc bags. We do the quart-size Ziploc bags, and we do like 4 cups per bag.
Okay, take 2. Anyways, I was gonna say that you can see where it's like creamy down here quite a bit. So the top layer we won't do cream corn, and I might not do that much cream corn. I might drain some of that and just so I have more regular corn. But you can see how it cuts it. It's a pretty handy tool. I think it probably took us 40-ish minutes to get that cut. So, my kids are being so naughty. Anyways, were you gonna say anything else? Alright, we're gonna pack these bad boys. I just label all my bags too so that it's gonna show up afterwards to you guys, but so that I know which ones are my cream corns, which ones I need to grab for my soups.
Okay, we're all done. We got 22 bags, I think. Anyways, so that's what they look like.